Look at this. He won't eat unless you're like standing there watching him. He like has to have you watch him eat. Apache, eat your food. Watch. Watch when I turn around and walk away. Eat your food. Eat your food, you can get a snack. Did you eat it all? Alright, you ate it all. Want a snack? Wait. Sit. Shh. You want a cookie? I can't hear you. Get out of my face. I don't got no battery. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make your exhaust crackle. Big burbles, big pops. It's really easy. I'm gonna just tell you guys how to do it. So it's simple. I mean, if your car can't do this, you need more horsepower. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. First thing you want to do is get it to like high RPMs in any gear, except for like 6, obviously. I can get out the parking lot. So what you're going to do is that's what you like, huh? That's what you like? That's what you like, huh? I'm going to show you how to do that. Get on like a long straightaway, right? Red light. Of course. Just like I was saying, this is very easy. All you gotta do is get on like a long, I can just tell you, get on a long straightaway. Or any like long stretch of road. Any road, any period, but second, third gear, you want to go up to like anything over 5,000 RPMs, anything around 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. And you want to let off the gas, but you don't want to let off it completely. So just slightly raise your feet off the gas, but still be applying pressure. And like I said, accelerate and let off like that. Don't let off all the way, but you hear that? Pops and burbles. I'm crying, man. I'm crying, bro. Oh, man. Real easy. Do it again. See that? What happens when you do that? Everybody's looking around for a Ferrari or a Lamborghini because those are the cars that do that. You hear that? Popping like a beast. Listen, listen, listen. Very easy. All you gotta do is lift your foot up off the gas like slightly, and your car will decelerate. Your car will get slower. Be popping like a Lamborghini. Everybody's gonna be looking around because it's like somebody's shooting rockets off or somebody's shooting guns. Like, why are there many explosions going around? But yeah, listen to this though. I'm gonna give you guys guys a really quick pull. It's gonna be loud, so get prepared. Ready? Sounds good, huh? Yeah. Basically what you want to do is you want to go straight, or you don't have to go straight, you can just go anywhere. You just have to get like, it's better to be like in second gear or like third gear. You don't want to be doing this at like, you don't want to be doing this at like 100 some miles per hour. So this is perfect time right here. I'm in second gear. And I'm actually about like 4,000 RPMs, so what if I get it to like 4,500? Let off. Crackles. I'll do it again with the windows down. That was bad. Let me do another one. I know you heard that. Crazy, right? So I'm gonna do it on a bridge. There's a bridge right here with echoes, so I'm gonna do it over here. Alright, here's the bridge. Like, my car can do it on command because you know it's a Shelby, so it's a straight up race car pretty much. Barely street legal. But I don't know if I don't know what other cars can do this. I mean, if you have a modified exhaust, you should be able to do it. Obviously you have to have an open exhaust, but look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like if they're done right, like if they got a nice set of wheels on them, like they look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. For an older Corvette, they still look good.